that one. Hi everyone! Today, we're going through my Prime bottles. So, today I got Black Prime. And then, yesterday, let me get them all down. Oh God. Oh! Right, okay, we're good now. So, I got the Black Prime today. I got the Strawberry and Watermelon yesterday. That's already 2 primes already, so don't forget that. And then I got Metamoon, already empty. These 2 are like, this is half full, this one's like nearly full. Metamoon, Orange, and Ice Pop. Yay! So, let's see if I got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Then I got 6, 7. So I got 7 primes in my lifetime. 8 primes in my lifetime. Because I had a blue one which I threw in the bin. A red one I threw in the bin. And a pink one in a can I threw in the bin. So I regret that. But show your taste test. These ones, the empty ones, I'm just gonna have to drink the smallest piece of water in there that like who cares. So Black Prime, KSI. Two, 8 out of 10. Metamoon, come on, Metamoon. Oh, the tiniest bit in there as well. Can't tell, so... Oh, wait, I can. Aftertaste is 6 out of 10. This, it actually has got loads in, so I'll be able to taste test this. Nine out of 10. This is probably my favourite so far. And we've got Ice Pop. Have I got a little bit in there? Tiniest bit. Look guys. The tiniest bit. The tiniest bit. 5 out of 10. Little. Not little. Do you want an honest opinion? Who wants an honest opinion? Okay. Tastes like moldy cheese. These 2 have not been drinking, so which one is everyone's favourite? Like, which one's your favourite, guys? Which one does it look better? If you haven't tried it, which one looks better to you? And if you have tried it, which one tastes better? Okay, I'm just gonna hold them up because some of you can't see. Ice Pop. Strawberry Watermelon. Metamoon. Orange. KSI 1. I believe this is 1. These gotta go on the shelf. So that thing right up there is where my primes go if I've already drinking them all. It's a collection. Don't. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, is it dark? This is for bed, so later. I'll go there later. that'll be all for this video. Bye.
Yeet.